Hey folks, Corey here, and I am the founder and creator of the SMPK. And in this case, we're using the SMPK.app. I'm going to show you guys the basic walkthrough. So you should receive this email, and you're probably watching this video right here. But it's very, very important that you activate your account. You want to click this link right here. Once you do that, it'll take you over to the page, and it'll automatically log you in. So you can see I've logged into a test account. You can see it's got the Corey test. Now I previously built some stuff on here. Yours should be blank. It should show you you're a free account. It never expires. This should be 0 on yours and 0 as well, but I've already come in here and tested. So the very first thing you want to do, obviously, if you want to change anything on your account, you just click on account and you come into here and you can see that you can reset the email, you can reset the name, you can change the password. It doesn't matter. If you want to delete your account, you can do so here. So we'll go back up to the top. Obviously, extra details. This is kind of important because it tells you you're a free account now, but if you decide to upgrade later on, we're going to be releasing that in about a week or so. You'll see your payments history here. Also, very, very important, you'll see you registered, you're activated, you're logged in. So this should be your IP address. If for some reason you see that something's going on with your account got hacked into, somebody got your password by mistake, send us an email to support@smpk.app and give us that IP address that's logged in, and we'll actually block them from accessing your account. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go back to the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you'll see you can have a project. So in your case, you're a free account, so you can only have one project and one SMPK, social media press kit. But for future reference, if you upgrade, you can get more projects, more SMPKs, especially if you're working with a team or you have a business that has several employees and you want to use this for that, you can. But for now, we're going to come in here, we're going to create a project. So you simply name it whatever you want to. I'm going to name mine Corey Test, right? We're going to come in here, and you'll see down here, you'll see this is going to be for you guys. So it tells you unique clicks, the date it was created. You just want to click on here. And now what you want to do, it'll tell you, you have no links for this project, create one. So in your case, you can do either or. You can come in here and create the link or the SMPK. I suggest you guys start out with the SMPK first. And you can name it whatever you want. So again, we're going to name it Corey Test. Well, we'll name it Corey Test 2, right? And what happens is it immediately brings you to the page where you can edit all your info. From there, you just want to do the basic stuff. Now, I'm going to go over the basics today, but we do have further training that's coming probably in a week or two in the members area. So once you are part of an upgraded version, you'll have access to the members training. So it's pretty basic stuff. We've built out some common sense stuff for you. Obviously, you want to change the title, you want to change the link. So it's really simple. So the very first thing you want to do, if you so choose to, is you want to add a logo. In this case, I'm going to just upload a image of Waldo. Where's Waldo? Where did he go? I just passed him. There he is. So where's Waldo? I'm going to put that in there. And then there he is. Now, it's very important as you move along to click update. Okay, you need to click update every time because that way, once you click update, it saves it so you don't lose your work. And you can see now there's Waldo. My title is here. I want to change that title out. We'll just call it Corey's Test. Yeah, there we go. We'll just call it Corey's SMPK, right? In your description, you can put whatever you want. I'm going to put the baddest mamma jamma alive. If you want to change the color of that, you can. You can do that here. I'm not going to mess with that. You're just going to scroll that. We'll go over that here in a minute. Also, your backgrounds. I put in some basic templates here for you guys, preset templates where you can change the background however you want. Okay, I'm going to leave that alone. If you want to do your own custom ones, you can do that as well. You can also put a background image if you so choose. So I'm going to just do the preset, leave it alone, right? And that's pretty much done as far as that. Now, you can use Google Analytics ID in your Facebook pixel. This is very, very important if you're trying to get SEO for your page. I would suggest using this. Again, that's further on in the training. So you want to click update. And then we're set to go. Now what we want to do is we want to add a link. So you can see here, we automatically put this in here for you, and it's the SMPK as a sample. You want to change that. So you want to click on these three dots here, and you can either delete it or just edit it, whatever you want to do. So we're going to edit this, okay? So you can change, we have it to where everything's a short link, all right? That helps with search engine and helps with a couple other items. We automatically give you a code for that short link. If you don't like that, you can change it. You can make it a word. It doesn't matter because the general public can't see this. Okay, this is for your benefit only, so that you can track it better. So you can just do what you want with it. Also, if you need to change the link, you can change that here. No big deal. So now what we want to do is we want to change that text there, right? So we're going to do SMPK app, right? And we want to change the icon. So in this case, I'm just going to, do whatever. You guys can sit here and go through this. We put in a bunch of images here. You can do whatever you want. It's no big deal. We'll just put, I don't know, we'll put a Bitcoin one there. So now there it is. Good for me. So now if you want to change the color, you come in here and just change the color. You drag this bar down. Simple, 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 right? It changes the color. I think I want to make it a purplish color. Let's go there. Yeah. Let's go there. Cool. So there it is. So now you can also change the button to be rounded or flat. Right now it's rounded. It's a little hard to see in this example. If you do straight, it makes it to straight. I'm going to make it back rounded. Also, we have animation here, but I suggest you guys be a little bit careful with that because look, so it wobbles. I know it was hard to see. Let me shrink this down a little bit. There we go. Now you guys can see it a little bit better. So I can change it to whatever. It can swing, We've kind of put some stuff in here. It can shake, the shake's actually a great attention getter. But you want to be careful. You don't want to have too much busyness going on with your app because it kind of messes people up, okay? So let's update that. All right. Now we've also made it to where you can come in here and you can create this button. We've made it to where you can do a link, Twitch, YouTube, SoundCloud, all that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add a YouTube. Now I have, let's see if I can get to it real quick. YouTube, I had this saved. Let me go to my account. Let me switch accounts here. I don't think I have it in here. No, I don't. So let's go here. Let's go to YouTube. Let's go to social media. Social media. By the way, guys, Social Media Press Kit, we've been around for 10 years. A lot of people think that this is a product that I just created. It's been there for 10 years. You can see right here, this was from 4 years ago. If I go into my account, you can see, and I go into my videos, you can see that it's been around for quite a while. This is from 4 years ago, right? So we're just going to grab this real quick. We're going to grab this URL. I'm going to grab it, copy. Let me get out of here. Now I'm just going to paste this in. Now you have to paste the whole URL in there. You can't do the short version of it. So you want to make sure you grab the whole thing where it's the watch equals or $V equals. And then you just add that, okay? Once it adds it, it'll put it right there, okay? Now, here's what's really cool about this. See how annoying that is? So I'm going to go in and I'm going to change that real quick because that is so annoying. I'm going to change it back to there and I update it. Make sure you update every time, guys. And then in order to close this out, you just hit the same thing again. You hit edit and it'll close it out. So let's say that I want to put this on top. You simply just grab these bars here and you move it up top. That's all you have to do. Then once you do that, you just hit refresh. Let me blow this back up again, guys. There we go. You just hit refresh and then you'll see it's on top. So if I want to add anything else, I want to add another thing, I want to add another link. Not a big deal. Let me go to my Facebook. So I'm going to add my Facebook URL. Again, the whole purpose of this is to have it to where you can have one link on your profiles, your social media profiles, and you don't have to change that link. And I'm going to show you that here in a second, guys. So Facebook profile, and I think I can do, if you do Facebook here, Facebook, there it is, bam, goes right there. Okay, now we want to change it to blue because Facebook is blue. All right, there we go. Save that color. There it is. I'm going to leave all this the same as well. So you can see it's fairly simple, but then you're saying, oh, I don't know if I like the video up there. Not a problem, guys. Look, remember, close it back out, edit, right? If you want to put the video down below, just drag it down below. You can do whatever you want. Hit refresh. There it is. All right, so that's pretty much it. And of course, if you want to see it, you just come here, you copy it, you open it up, and this is what it looks like on the browser. You just do that, and then there it is. Again, it's mobile friendly. It's ready for mobile. So if I close this out, let me open this back up. You can see it optimizes. Okay, no big deal. So there's a lot more to this, guys, but that's for right now. That's the basics. You also can see in your stats, you can see what's going on in here. That's available for you guys as well. You can see that there's been one click. I just clicked it, so it came from the United States. It tells you my operating systems with Windows. I went through Chrome browser. That's a cool feature that we have. You can also click on settings. And if you want to, you can see the links. Now, I haven't clicked any of these, right? But if I do this and I click on this Facebook profile, it opens up my Facebook profile. Now, if I go back, right, and I hit refresh, you'll see that I have one link right here. I have one link, right? If I click this, it tells me it's one impression. They clicked on this. They're referring as my app, okay, as the United States. Same thing, Windows. That's what makes this so important, because the more you have impressions and you have unique impressions, right? The more links you get, the better the stats will be on this, okay? So you have stats per link, and then you have an overall stats per the entire app. So this will come in handy later on. Again, we're going to have lessons on that as well. So that's basically it, guys. As far as the dashboard is concerned, it's really simple to navigate through here. You just want to make sure for right now you're a free account. You get one project, one SMPK, unlimited links, unlimited stats. You can see everything you need to see in here. Again, if you need to work on it, you just come in here, you click it, and there you go. Again, the most important thing is to save, save, save. Update, 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 no matter what happens. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We'll see you at the top.